We started WCT Engineering in 2007. Achim and I, we got to know each other in the industry. We were awarded a contract to run a rally car for Toyota South Africa, and that's pretty much when we kicked off. We saw a niche in the market for both building and running cars and throughout the spectrum of cross-country rallying and circuit racing. And I think that we had complementary skill sets, and it was a logical partnership to enter into. All of us here do what we do because we enjoy it. We are passionate about what we do, and that's why we're doing it. In essence, if you're going to do something, it should be something that is worth doing properly. And as such, both with the build of the cars and running cars, we like to do it to the best of our ability. The satisfaction for us is in doing the job properly, producing good, reliable, world-class cars, and certainly running them to the best of our ability, which thankfully appears to be to quite a high standard. On the car build side, we can offer a turnkey cross-country T1 car from scratch. Achim has refined his design over the last few generations of car to the point where we offer a car that is both user-friendly and competitive for a competitive price. Our lead times in terms of building cars are quite competitive. We're fairly unique in that we're not allied to any one manufacturer, so that we can certainly embark on a build of a car to suit whatever manufacturer is looking for a solution, and that's borne out by the fact that we've built cars for Nissan, Toyota, Volkswagen and Renault, and we've had both Volkswagen and Renault cars running in this year's Dakar. That is a fairly unique situation to be in. Event support, we have built our offering on having run a very successful rally team in South Africa, where we were competitive against the works teams with customer Fords. We have supported our cars at the Dakar for the last 4 years with a degree of success. We've been competitive in South Africa in the South African Cross Country Series for the last 5 or 6 years and always had competitive cars. And I think circuit racing too, whilst it's not our focus at present, we have a fairly strong track record there. Historically, having won the South African Rally Championship 3 times was a highlight. For sure, having our cars run at the Dakar successfully is a major highlight. I mean, that is something quite special. Certainly in the last few years, we've had some really good stage finishes, which is really gratifying. Business-wise, our relationship with Renault Sport has been really, really good. We've had a strong relationship with Volkswagen. Essentially, being able to convert what is a passion into a profitable and sustainable business is quite a privilege. The future in South Africa has some challenges. What we do in South Africa with our cross-country cars is we offer our customers a cost-effective and competitive solution. Looking to the future, we are very well equipped to respond to changes in the regulations. Our in-house design that Achim runs is able to respond very quickly to regulation changes, and certainly he keeps a very firm handle on where the regulations are going. Likewise, having pretty much full control of our manufacturing means that we can respond quickly. Having control of those 2 key aspects gives us the ability to respond quickly and to stay on top of regulation changes.